Joey, please don't climb on the sculptures at the Mad Max Museum. Did you tell people you're going to be in here for a few years, Joe?
Good, see ya.
So we're just coming into the living desert sculptures, and
It's only about 10 minutes out of Broken Hill.
yep, that's a state park. Okay. Lots of things to read. Two-way traffic, entry fees, no drone zone. So don't bring your zone. Don't bring your zone or your drone.
Don't bring your drone, Graham.
No pets.
Well, that answers a question about your drone.
Yep, no drones. We'll just have to jump very high. No dogs allowed, just in case you read it the first time. Hey here, ranger on duty. Let's see how this works. So this is where we pay. So if you don't pay, you just go straight back out there and go home. So it's a bit like a parking machine, isn't it? So there's your fees, entry per person $10, annual pass, concession holders 7, and children. Yeah, and there's some information here too. So let's make this work. It worked quite easily actually, and it basically just came out like a parking ticket. I was just talking to the ranger, and he said that although we're here in the morning, the tickets actually let us come back at night to see the sunset. So it's sort of like an all-day pass, so that's pretty cool too. Yeah, very good. Boys, here we go to the sculptures or the walk. You might go to the sculptures first. The primitive campsite. This is the Star View primitive campsite. No generators after dusk. All caravans must park in their designated sites. So there's codes to get in there, and it looks like there's toilets and that over there. We probably need to check it out and give you some more information. But you'd actually get to see some really good sunsets and sunrises there. We're just out of Broken Hill, up at the sculptures. Broken Hill's right over there, and the sculptures are up there. Let's go and check them out. Joey, please don't climb on the sculptures. Can you not climb on the sculptures?
I've never done anything like that before in my life.
You sure? You said you were a climber and you're a kid. The truth comes out now. So here we've got the sculptures. You can see the eagle in there. So from the sculptures here, you can look back down on the road we came in, and you can see the camp down there. So you're not far from the actual sculptures. On the back of this one, there's actually a sundial. There it is there.
It said it casts a shadow which falls on in the triangle each year at the time Valerie was working on the rock.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
It doesn't tell you the time.
No. And here's a trig point. Sundown Geodetic Station. So they're all fairly close together. You can walk up from the bottom or drive up. And we're not so far from Broken Hill. Picnic area, free barbecue. Well, nothing like a free barbecue. No camping, no drones. So this is the picnic area. There's the car park. Check it out. So I've got some really good picnic facilities here. And we've actually got places where you can sit and have your lunch. Now we're just going to go and check out the kangaroos, and apparently they're just up here past the toilets. The kangaroos get fed here. It's a little sanctuary. Electric fence, so you've got to be very careful. We've got some pink and grey galahs over there having their breakfast. Oh, there's a bit of tension there. There's heaps of food, but they're all going for it. From the picnic area, you can come around here, there's some Aboriginal etchings, a little boardwalk over there, and then you can actually head off this way to the sculptures. This is very special.
Yeah.
There's the Silverton sign. Yeah, photo, Joey.
Camel farm down there.
Joe. Nice rock work. The Mad Max. The Mad Max Museum. Let's go and check it out. You can't actually film inside, but you can film in the second part. All their cars. We've got the Halls of Justice. Just a few more bits of memorabilia. So this is the Silverton Jail, built in 1889, and now it's a museum. Let's go in and see what's happening here. Did you tell people you're going to be in here for a few years, Joe? Oh no, this is not. This is not an asylum. This is a jail.
Well, both to you, I think.
Joe's not very nice to me. I'm guessing that this is an underground water tank. It's just a hunch. Battery operated locomotive. That's pretty cool for the day. Side tipping trucks. Pretty solid. Come into the office at the jail, and we've got Sandra here, and she's doing a really good job. And tell us about this place. How many cells are there?
There is 4 ordinary cells and 2 solitary confinements.
Oh wow!
Put them all in together.
Yes.
Men and women's.
Oh really? Nowadays, yeah.
Hungry probably and drunk.
And drunk, yeah. Well,
Disorderly.
well. There's a person over there. She can relate to being disorderly and drunk, but that's Joe.
I'll get you back.
Anyway, we'll go and have a bit of a look, and it should be a good experience.
See, and then you can take his photo while he's in the cell.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then come in. Yeah, and lock him in.
Oh, gee. There's a lot of history here, a lot of information and pictures. Yeah, this is someone's actually made a city map model. Got the family trees. There's a cabbage slicer there. This could have been the kitchen. I can see a stove over here. Lots of history. All the deaths that's happened. It's probably one of the bedrooms. It just got a normal fire.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. That's a lodge person. And there's another lodge person. There's a projector. Some old typewriters. Citizens' presentation to the Broken Hill Town Hall. Oh, there's your business down there, Joanne. More cooking. Could you actually make me a coffee, please?
No, there's no wood for the fire. Sorry.
Oh, I thought you.
Go and chop the wood.
I thought you got wood.
You didn't do that job earlier.
Oh dear. Look, some cameras. There's a sewing machine for doing leather and shoes. So this is, we're actually inside a cell at the moment, but they've got all sorts of things here from the church. Heaps of sewing machines here. Lots of singers. Lots of old ones too.
Wonder who's in here. Oh. Must be Graham.
Why would you be in here? A ball and chair. I've got a cup of tea.
Good, see ya.
This is like the shop, complete with brown paper. That's what the postman used to look like. Fire brigade guys. And a model of the Broken Hill post office. Well, this is the exercise yard here, and over here we've got 2 toilets. So in here we've got the barber's quarters, got the barber's chair, and all of his cutting gear, even got his coat. That's pretty cool. The world's greatest shave. The washing area, and the ironing area, and the mangle. There's a bit of a copper there. More mangles and coppers. Oh dear, there's lots of lace in here. Lace overload. Hey Joey, I can see you in that. Something like that. What do you reckon? Something black and sexy?
That would fit probably my left leg.
Your left leg? Oh, well, that's okay. Well, this is more like you here, the nurse. We've got some voltage meters and some other lacy dresses. So let's see who's in here. Oh, who could he hit? This is the original hospital room. And I'd say all these would have been filled with lots of medicines and things to help people get better. We've got some Morse code here. This is a shock cradle. Electric light bulbs and sockets inside this can be provided warmth and treatment of shock. That's Joey, what's she doing down there? I don't think they'd have babies in jail. That's the X-ray table. That's old. Here's the Silverton school bell. The school opened in 1880 and closed in 1970. And it still works in 2024. Oh, right. That looks like something from Mad Max. Oh. A lot of stuff here. There's all the pneumatic drills. Spring cart for parcel delivery. Mobile air compressor, that's huge. Cornish wheelbarrow. Lots of shovels. Yeah, it's a holding cell. And you've got the bars on the windows. Very impressive.
Look at everything.
So these two rooms here are actually solitary confinement cells. And I'd say there's no windows here. Oh, there's a little window there. But you wouldn't want to be in here with all these women, I'll tell you. That would, you'd go loopy there. Wind farm further on, there's been a fair bit of erosion down here on the left. And we're heading towards a reservoir. Umberumberka Reservoir. Okay. There's one road in, one road out. No camping. This is the reservoir. You can't go across and check it out, but it's quite a big one for out here, and I'd say it would provide a lot of the water for Silverton and the surrounding areas. There's probably some fish in there too. So this is a little picnic area just near the reservoir, just a little bit further on from Silverton. And you've got Barbies here. How about that, Joe? So we're going to cook ourselves with homemade sausages, cook ourselves some tea. There's two barbecues here and chairs and a rubbish bin. And then we're going to head back to the lookout to check out sunset. So I reckon it'll be pretty good. We've got some clouds coming down now, so that'll make a good sunset. There you go, finished product. Sun's going down, we'll be watching it set soon. Great place. We're at the Mundi Mundi lookout, waiting for the sun to set. We're going to do a time lapse, take some photos. We've got other people here looking out, watching, and it should be good. There's a few clouds in the sky, so we should get some good reflections.